Hi everyone, welcome to Maddie's World. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to hide a recovery partition or other drives in Windows. So any disk connected to your PC, whether removable or integrated, showing up in the disk management tool and typically Explorer and other desktop applications. So today we are going to hide a partition or the entire disk for those time you would rather keep sensitive file out of eyes or casual user who may access your laptop or desktop. So it still be visible in certain tools like disk management but won't appear in Explorer or various other programs that might display it. PC manufacturers often include recovery partition. They are usually hidden but sometimes become visible under this PC and elsewhere in Windows. However, how to hide a recovery partition or any other drive? We will be removing a partition drive later to hide it. The partition will still be visible to disk management tool but it won't appear in Explorer and normal desktop application. So you can always reassign a letter to it in the future. So option 1, use disk management. For many partition you can do the graphical disk management tool. To open it in Windows 10, right click the start button or press Window X and then click on disk management option. To open it on Windows 7, open your start menu, type hard disk into the search box and then click on create and format hard disk partition shortcuts. So once you click into this, you will be into the disk management tool. So locate the partition you want to hide. For example, if you want to hide a drive having the letter D under File Explorer, look for the partition that having a letter D under the volume column in the disk management window. Right click the partition and then select change drive letter and path command. So if you don't see any option, then help. When you right click a drive, continue to the next section. You will need to use the disk path command to remove the letter. The graphical interface won't allow you to do that. Once you're done with that, select the drive letter you want to remove. In the window that appears, select the remove button and then click on OK. Each partition generally has only one single drive letter. If the partition has multiple drive letter assigned to it, you probably want to remove each of them from here only. Windows warn you that the program may not run correctly if you remove the drive letter. For example, if you install an application on the drive or store some important file on it, you won't be able to access them while the drive doesn't have any letter assigned to it. Click yes to continue. If the drive is currently in use, you will be warned that you must restart the PC to finish the process. So click yes again and then restart your PC. The drive won't be visible in Windows after you finish this process. So if you want to make the drive visible again in the future, head back to the disk management tool, go to the change drive letter and path window and then click add button, add a drive letter to it. So give the drive the same letter as it was before. Should work properly. Even if you installed any application on the drive before, it will also start working after assigning the same letter. Second option is run the disk path command. So disk management tool can't work with every partition. To hide some partition, you need to run the disk path command. So first you need to identify the drive letter of the partition you want to hide. You can find under this PC in File Explorer on Windows 10 or under computer in Windows Explorer or Windows 7. So for example, in the below screenshot you can able to see we want to hide the drive letter G. This command must be run from the command prompt window, launch with the administrator permission. So to launch one, open your start menu, type CMD into the search box or right click on the command prompt and then select run as administrator command. Once the command prompt got launched, you have to type disk path, which will take you to the disk path option. Over there you have to type a command list volume. So it will show you all the available partitions on your hard disk. Further, you have to identify the volume number of the partition you want to hide. For example, we want to hide the partition with the drive letter G. For example, we want to hide the partition with drive letter G, which we can see is volume 1 in above screenshot. Run the following command to select the partition, replacing hash with the number of volume. In our example, we want to select volume 1. So we would run the following command, select volume 1. So once you type select volume 1, it will give you an output volume 1 is selected volume. Then you have to run a command, remove letter G. Once you run this command, the particular drive will be hide from the Explorer. So it will give you an output that this part successfully remove the drive letter or the mount point. The recovery partition or any other drive will be instantly be hidden on that time. Similar way, if you want to bring it back, you have to type a command assign letter and whatever the letter you want to assign, so it will remount that particular drive back to your Explorer. And moreover, you cannot hide the C drive because it is the Windows partition, so you cannot hide that particular drive with the help of this. So now we will move into the practical section. So now we will see how we can hide the partition with the help of both the options which we have discussed. So first option is disk management. To open it on Windows 10, you have to right click on start menu, and you can get an option of disk management here, or there is another option, Windows and X key. When you press, you will get an option for disk management. So once you click on disk management, you can able to see all the partitions which are available on your hard disk. So currently there are 3 partitions. One is for the C drive, second one for D, and third one is the G drive, which we have created for testing. We will going to hide this drive with the help of disk management. So to hide the drive, we have to right click on this, and you are able to see an option, change drive letter and path. So once you click into this, you can able to see 3 options: add, change and remove. For that, I will show you the drive right now. You can able to see this drive is available here in this PC. So now we are going to remove this. So we have to click on remove. It will give you a warning, some program that rely on drive letter might not run correctly. Are you sure you want to remove this letter? So you have to click on yes. So once you click on yes, it will remove the letter in front of the drive. And if you go to the PC, you can able to see the drive is not visible right now. So if you want this drive back into the PC, you have to simply go to the same option, change drive letter and path, and then you have to click on add. It will ask for the letters. You just select the letters and then click on OK. So once you click on OK, you again able to see that it has assigned a letter in front of the drive, and you can also find the drive in this PC. So you can able to see that this test drive is now visible here. So now we will move into the second option, how we can do it using the command prompt. So now test G is visible right now. G drive is visible to us. So the second option is the disk part command. So we have to open the command prompt with the admin access. So you have to open the command prompt. To open the command prompt, you have to click on start, type command prompt, and then you have to right click on it and run it as an administrator. So once you run it, you have to type a command, disk part. You can able to see now you are into the disk part. So here you have to type a command, list volume. So this will list all the available volumes in your PC or in your hard drive. Then you have to select the volume. We are selecting volume 2 right now with the letter G. So now you can able to see it is written as volume 2 is selected. Then you have to type a command, remove letter G. Remove letter equals to G. So once you done it, you can able to see disk part successfully remove the drive letter and mount point. So if you go to the PC, you can able to see the drive is not available right now. So if you want to bring it back, you have to type the command, assign letter H. So if we are looking into this, now you can able to see this PC has assigned a letter H in the same drive. So this way you can remove or hide any so by this way you can hide any partition, or so by these way you can hide any partition on your hard drive, or you can hide them if you don't want anyone to see that particular partition.